Well, the other day we were talking about what this was like, you know, being out for a month in one place, especially here in the Keys, because it's not like being, let's say, in Orlando. You're here in the Keys for almost a specific reason, and that's just getting away from everything. It's all water, you know, sights, that kind of thing. But I'm gonna turn the camera around and ask the same question to my lovely wife, who will let you know what it's been like.
See, this is what happens when you get put on the spot.
It's not the spot.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have enjoyed the Keys, and the weather has been beautiful. We have had some good adventures, and we got another week, so I hope we have a few more plugged in there somewhere. But I think that if there were more activities here at the campground, it would make the month-long stay a little more palatable.
So are you saying that you're 30 days in the Keys at this particular campground, you would be ready to go?
Well, I think 30 days is a good time. If you're going to come to the Keys, if you're going to come down here, I wouldn't come just for a week unless you were going to go and stay at one of the local hotels. And if you're going to go down to the Keys and stay in a hotel, a week is probably all you want. Being a little further out, we do get to take advantage of some restaurants in the area, bike trails. So we've done some things. But a lot of times when you hear you're going to a resort area, you think there are going to be some more amenities. They have a nice pool here, but they really don't have like amenities for the campground guests. So I think that would make it a little, like I said, a little more enjoyable if you knew you had activities to go to in the afternoon. But I have been able to get some reading done, and we've been really working on the channel, getting some videos out, and you know, stuff like that. So would I do it again? Yeah, I think I would, but hopefully I don't know that I would want to come back to this particular spot. I don't know. It just depends. It just depends.
So there you go.
So what's your take, though?
Well, I thought I kind of answered that. It is a little different when you're when the campground that you're at does not have as much to do. You know, like you say, you have a pool. It's a small campground, and so even just us getting out and walking around, you kind of walk in circles.
Yeah.
So yeah, the campground would make it a little bit better. I have enjoyed the stay, which we still got a week, and I enjoyed everybody here.
Yeah, we met some new people and we have met some new people and made some good friends and enjoyed some fun time here. So you know, that's something that we treasure anyway. So you know, I wouldn't change that for anything. But it has been just a little, what do we do now? What are we going to do now? Kind of, you know, we keep asking, what you want to do? What are we going to do?
And I don't think we need to feel like you have to do anything.
Oh, no. Because there are days, like today, I didn't want to do nothing. Today was my day. And so far it has been really good. I think we're getting ready to go out for a little while now.
Yeah.
But from about 11 until 4 o'clock, it was BB time. Instead of island time, it was BB time.
All right, so there you have it. In this video, we're going to spend some time with Minnie and Benny of Our Rolling Voyage YouTube channel. Go check them out. We were able to check out the 2025 Race World Offshore Key West World Championships that were held. We were there for the first day they were in the water. This brought back memories from when I was a boy watching the same type of boat race on the river in Elizabeth City, North Carolina.
Key West iguana on top of the roof. I hope y'all can see it.
Now they're up in the upper half, which makes them dangerous for Friday and Sunday.
See, these boats don't play. A lot of these boats are reaching well over 100 miles an hour in speed. Okay. So as you can see in here, guys, we have been down here in Key West again. And we just left down at the harbor where they're doing the boat races this week. Having a ball with Benny and Minnie. So.
I need a white cowboy hat.
Oh, you need a white cowboy hat?
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, go ahead.
Yeah, I need a white cowboy hat.
So that's what we're up to this evening. So see y'all later. Okay, y'all, we're here at Two Friends with two friends. Ain't that something? We're here at Two Friends with two friends. Yeah. Recommended by two friends. And
But
so
the two friends that we're here with are
Benny
and
Minnie of Our Rolling Voyage on YouTube. Yeah. Are y'all waiting? Not yet. No. Go right ahead, sir. I hope you heard it. Shrimp? Yeah, I had some. We got the shrimp.
Thank you.
Another shrimp.
They're big.
They are.
Buffalo wings.
Buffalo wings. Right here.
You got a little I'm good. I'm good.
Right there.
Chicken tenders.
Oh, right there. I'm sorry.
Yep. Thank you.
We about to leave the queen.
Chicken tenders. Over here.
thank you.
Yeah.
She's safe. Come here. Bring her over, Mum. Bring her over. No, I'm not going to hit her. She's got the person.
I think you'd like this.
I think I will. I think so.
I mean, look at that.
They get it.
Yeah, we.
Yeah, it was.
Tomorrow is actually Gwen's birthday. This is his birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Oh, we got to go to the walking thing over there.
I'm looking like, where is it?
Well, I mean, it's usually year round. Like, most of them supposed to get popped up 74. But we, where it's like and I think the utilities were included and everything. It was less than $2,000.
We want to take this time to thank Benny and Minnie for taking the time to show us around Key West and hanging out with us during our stay. Please go check out Our Rolling Voyage on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Until our next video, enjoy the journey on the way to your destination.
Enjoy in the quiet, a magical pond through captures and clips. We share the delight, together we rise, brighter than the night. Enjoy the journey on the way.